Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share. As you guys know, I showcased this pocket letter with the snowflake collection I think maybe like not my previous video, the video before that, and you guys went crazy and bananas on my Instagram and on the video over how cute this turned out. I love the idea of having embellishments on the pocket letter because I feel like they get more use out of it. They can rip out all the embellishments and use them on their projects, and they're super easy and fun to make and relaxing, you guys. So of course I made two more and posted them on Instagram and let you guys know that I was going to be making a video basically showing you guys more of the embellishments in more detail, and that is what we're doing today. So let's get on with that. The first one that I'm going to show you guys right here is this one, and this one has to be my favorite, you guys. I love the traditional red and green, but still with the little pops of color of pink. You guys know I love me some pink, and this is actually a majority of the pocket letter is Pebbles Merry Little Christmas. I love it so much. So we're going to start off with the side right here. I did do embellies instead of embellishments like I did with the snowflake one. I was just starting to run out. I like these letters and I was starting to run out, so I figured embellies is super cute. I did some red and white polka dot washi. As you can see, you guys, I cut it at an angle. I love the way that looks. I think it gives it something extra. It looks super cute. No, this doesn't have the hole to punch, you know, and put them somewhere. So this is more of like, take your pocket letter, use your tags, and it's more of a useful pocket letter. So basically, you don't just store it away. You just take all your embellishments out, use them on projects, and use the tags in the background to make a tag flip or whatever you want. But look, you guys, I love the way it looks. It's stitched down, and then I added this little lace just because I feel like this little lace trim is like so cozy and looks like sweater material during the winter time. And let's look at the first set of 3 pockets, which is kind of like in all the pocket letters. As you guys can see, there's like a little decorative corner. So there's a little either 2 or 3 little piece of the pocket letters where it's going to be just like decorative. And that's what I did up here. And there's this cute little wreath sticker that I had in my stash. And then I did a little, what is this? The little Christmas tree chalk with the little tree. I added the little star. I added the little December 25th sticker. We have some little jemmies there. I did a little tree in the back, and the Santa Claus is actually on the tag in the inside. I put the pom-pom and the star for the tree on the outside pocket. And then we have some gold threading back here, the little Merry Christmas, some snowflakes, and a cute little gold star. And it's just kind of like a little decorative piece in the pocket letter. And then you start to get your embellishments on the bottom. Here I did the little page flag embellishments, and they're cute little clusters. On this one, there's like tons of layers. So you have stitched, let me see if the lighting doesn't throw it off. Okay, you have the little stitched page flag, and then I have a little 2-inch circle. There's thread, there's chipboard, there's ephemera pieces. We have jemmies, pom-pom, this cute little holiday wishes. I love the way it turned out, you guys. I think it's super cute. Look at this one. This one has the little polar bear. I put a little bow on his head. Cute little star on top of the house. A little ornament. It says Merry. So I think that I came up with super cute little clusters with what I had. These little chipboard pieces are from an Echo Park collection that I had just a few pieces, and I felt like it went well with the collection. These are just little stickers I had. I love the little guy behind the tree. I love it, you guys. And then down here we have some rosettes. We have crepe paper, and then we have the cardstock rosette, and then there's chipboard pieces and tons of layers. This little gift right here is from Fa La La. So as you guys know, I just mixed in whatever matches. There's no rhyme or reason when you're creating. Whatever works, you know. And yeah, I just love the way this one turned out. It's got to be my favorite next to the snowflake. And then, you guys, I wanted to play around with that paper pad from Michaels, the Miss Claus. So I used these pink and white, you see that? Stickers that I had in my stash. I did some kind of like taupey and polka dots and the same little sweater trim, and I love the way it looks. And then I used the paper pad in the back, and since that doesn't really come with any ephemera, I had to kind of just dig into my stash and kind of see what works. So there's just a variety of stuff here, you guys. The little snow snowman. He's from Fa La La. This is the little chipboard from Echo Park. And then there's just like a combination of stickers and cardstock stickers from the Fa La La collection. Super cute. I love it, you guys. So we have 2 embellishments here and just like a little decorative piece here. And then there's a decorative piece in the center. Oh, what is this? A little piece of paper. And then I added some cute little bows here. And then there's some flowers. These were sent to me in some Happy Mail and I figured I'd share. So I put the 3 bows here, and the 2 little flowers were also sent to me in some Happy Mail. And then we have 3 rosettes here with little clusters, with thread, with cardstock stickers, chipboard. And you guys, I absolutely love the way they turned out. This one just has a cute little house from the Fa La La, chipboard Echo Park. And I think it went well with the paper from the Miss Claus paper pad from Michaels. But yeah, you guys, those are the 3 pocket letters that I made. They are up for sale, so if you are interested, just shoot me an email. I am gonna part with them and send them to a new home if you guys want them. But yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys, which one is your guys' favorites. Mine has to be this one. It was this one up until I made this one. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys tomorrow on my live with Wifey. We're going to be making some ornaments, so if you want to join us over there tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, bring your supplies and let's make some Christmas ornaments. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.